Hi everyone, my name is Sarabjeet Kaur. I am a computer teacher by profession and today I am going to start a series of C++. In this series I will teach you different programs of C++. Today I am going to teach you a very simple program in which you will display a message on the screen. And how will you create this program? Let's see. I'm using a software code block and code block में अगर आपको program create करना है तो हम किस तरह से कर सकते हैं इसे देखते हैं. So in the first line, I'm going to write down the name of the program with the help of comment. So for creating a comment, I will put 2 forward slashes and then I will write the name of our program. So write a program to display a message So this is the name of my program. So message जो मैं display कराना चाहती हूँ वो भी मैं लिख देती हूँ. So my message is hello everyone. After writing this line, I will write down the name of the header file. So the name of the header file is iostream. And then I will create a space with the help of namespace. So basically namespace will create a space in a memory for our program. After creating a space, then I will start my program by writing int main. And then I will write my required line for displaying my message. That is cout hello everyone. So hello everyone is my message. You have to write down your message inside the double quotes, and cout is a stream which helps you to print any message on the screen. Cout work with insertion operator. So these two symbols are known as insertion operator. After writing this line, we will write return 0. So this is the syntax. In this way, you will write down your program, and this is the simplest program in which we are going to display only a simple message. Okay. So after writing this program, just click on save button. I have already saved this file, so I am going to save the changes, and then I will going to click on this button build and run. Click on this button build and run. When you click on this button, a screen will display, and in this screen my message is displaying hello everyone. So in this way you can create a simple program in C++. If you want to learn new programs, then you can write down your required program in the comment box. I will surely make a video on that. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.